Dear students, all of you are in Kundu sir online classes. Topics is fundamental concept of algebra related to class 6 and 7. Again I am giving some formula, because if you memorize more formula, then concept will be clear more and you can save time at the time of doing sum, at the time of examination in future, in competitive exam, entrance exam, everywhere. So I am giving always importance of the formula. The first formula, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now third formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. Fourth formula, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Now fifth formula, ab equal to a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Next most important formula is 1, 2, 3 and now 6. The formula number 6, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. And thus for this class, the seventh formula, number 7, a lot of formula, class to class I will explain now. Acha. A plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now I am remembering, because it is most important. All of this will be repeated class to class. A to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m into a to the power minus n equal to a to the power m minus n. And third is a to the power m by a to the power n. It can be written as a to the power m into a to the power minus n and equal to a to the power m minus n. A is called base, m and n are called power of the base or power or exponent. Now it is most important, a plus into plus equal to plus, plus into minus equal to minus, minus into plus equal to minus, minus into minus equal to plus. You have to remember bracket indicating the multiplication sign. It is multiplication. Now I am once again writing plus into plus, that means 5 plus into 5 plus equal to 25 or 5 into 5 equal to 25 first. Then 5 into minus 5 equal to minus 25, that is equal to 5 minus 25 equal to minus 25. Next is minus into plus, then plus into minus is same thing. Now minus 5 into minus 5 equal to 25, because plus into plus equal to plus and plus sign is not required to mention. Now I am giving some more idea about the brackets. This bracket is called first bracket. It is called curling bracket or second bracket. It is called third bracket. First bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Now will be familiar about some operation of algebraic term. First we should be familiar about addition. Now I am removing the, that means I am removing the right hand portion of this so that we can work out the problem here. Now problem number 1 is addition. Question number 1, addition. Addition is 1a minus 5 plus 3y plus, addition means plus, then 18x minus 15y equal to, it is plus in bracket, that means minus 5x plus 3y plus 18x minus 15y I am writing. Now I am arranging 18x minus 5x, this plus what, 18x minus 5x, then 3y minus 5y. So 18x minus 5x equal to 13x, because 18 is positive here. So we are writing here 13x. Now we are doing the plus 3y minus 15y. That is, you can write in this manner 15y and plus 3y. Then out of minus 15 we are adding 3, that is equal to 2 and 1, 12 y minus 15 plus 3. For minus 15 plus 3, you know it is 12 and the literal term is y. So you should write here minus 12y. Then 13x plus into minus. I am already mentioned that bracket is indicating multiplication. So it is plus into minus equal to minus. So I am removing the plus and result is 12y. It is the answer. Once again I am explaining, we are arranging the same numeric, the literal terms, that in 18x minus 5x. Net result is 13x and my 3y minus 15y, minus 15 plus 3 equal to 12, y is with, instead of 15 you write down 15y with a negative sign plus 13y, the net result is this. So the working part I am reviewing and it is clear, it is 13x minus 12y. Now I am going to add this and this. Then problem B. What is problem B here? Your first term, add. It is question 1b, 7a minus 8b plus 2c plus, we are writing at 2a plus 3b minus, it is d, okay, d is okay, minus d. So what will write? We are arranging the same one, 7a plus 2a, because it is plus into plus. So first of all, we can remove the bracket first. It is 7a minus 8b plus 2c, and there is a plus, plus into plus equal to 2a, plus into plus equal to 3b, plus into minus equal to d. Now we are accommodating same term this in the, according to term we are accommodating, that is 7a plus 2a Next is minus 8b plus 3b. Next one plus 2c minus d. It is this term same. It is this because both are having a. Is 7a plus 2a equal to 9a. We are putting here 9a. Then here minus 8b plus 3b. The net result of minus 8 plus 3 equal to minus 5. Then b. We are writing here 5b, and c has only one term, 2c, and d is only one term, minus d. So we are getting 9a, 7a plus 2a, 9a. We are doing now mental math. Minus 8a plus 3b equal to minus 5b, then 5c, then d. If you learn more and thereafter you can mental math do easily. Then 1b is over. Then we are coming to subtract this and this. First I am doing 2b, then 2a. Subtraction, that we 2b. 2b is subtract a plus b from a minus b. So first write a minus b. From this you subtract a plus b. So we are removing the brackets for our first bracket. A minus b is the minus and plus equal to minus, and minus and plus equal to minus. Then minus plus a and minus we are getting 0. You can put here cross or don't cross. You write a minus b minus a minus b. Minus a and plus a. Minus a and plus a is giving 0. Is giving 0. And minus b and minus b. 1 1 minus 2b. That is minus 2b. 0 minus 2b equal to 2b. It is the answer. Now we are doing, okay, no need of duster, we are doing now. And 2a. 2a equal to, subtract this from this. First write down 4mn plus m plus n, and subtraction sign is, for subtraction is minus putting, and here minus mn, then minus m and plus n. Now 4mn plus m plus n, minus into minus equal to plus mn, minus into minus equal to m, minus into plus minus m. So 4mn plus mn equal to 5mn. 4mn plus mn, nothing is this, then 5mn I have written here. Now n plus 4mn plus m, 5m, then another m, okay, 4mn m n plus 4mn plus n, 5n, then m plus m equal to 2m, and n plus and minus equal to 0, that is we are cancelling, equal to 0. The result is 4mn plus 2m. We can take common m, we will get 5m plus 2. You can, for your class, you can do this, and the next class, then taking common from the all terms to be taken as a common, I will explain this. But still now I am taking common 5mn and 2m. M is taken common, that is equal to 5n plus 2 is the answer. So this is over for this one and this one. Now A equal to this and B equal to this. You have to find out A into B. A into B, that means it is a multiplication. It is a multiplication we have to do now. Then problem number, it is 3A. It is problem number 3A. A into B. What is A? A equal given 5x plus 2 into B equal to 2x plus 2. Now 5x into 2x equal to 5 into 2 into x square. 5x into 2x equal to 10 into x equal to 10x square. Now 5x into 2, I am removing this one. Now what is this? 5x into 2 equal to 10x. 5 into 2 equal to 10x. Now once again I am removing this. Now I am this. This into this into this into this. 2 2's are 2x into 2 equal to 4x. And now 2 into 2 equal to 4. 5x into 2x equal to 10x square. Then 5x into 2 equal to 10x. Then 2 into 2x equal to 4x. And 2 into 2 equal to 4. Now we are getting the result 10x square plus 10x, 14x plus 4. 5 into 2x equal to 10x square, 5x into 2 equal to 10x, 2 into 2x equal to 4x, and this 2 into 2 equal to 4. So 10x plus 4x equal to 14x and 4. It is the answer. The last sum for this class, what is the result? There is a note of interrogation. So it is now problem number 3b equal to 4a and 3a plus 7b. Now we can write 4a into 3a. Now we can write 4a plus 3a plus 4a into 7b. Now 4 into 3 equal to 12. A into a equal to a square. We are writing 4 into 3. Write down here 12. Now 4 into 7 equal to 28. A into b equal to ab equal to 28ab. Now we can take common 2. Then otherwise you can or take common 2. If you take 2 and a or 4a, it will be 3a, and we are taking common 4, that is equal to 7. We have taken common a, remaining b. If you multiply this one, we will again get this term. 4 into 3, 12, a into a square, 4 into 7, 28, a into b equal to ab. Now I am concluding the class. In the next class, I will give more explanation so that all of you will be expert in algebra day to day. Thanks all of you.